Virtual reality is a groundbreaking technology that transports us into immersive, computer-generated environments. At the heart of every VR headset lies a display, lenses, and sensors. Stereoscopic displays present different images to each eye, mimicking depth perception for 3D immersion. Motion tracking sensors detect our movements, updating the virtual environment in real time. Advanced audio systems deliver spatial sound, enhancing the sense of presence and realism. Controllers and input devices provide a natural way to interact with the virtual world. Rendering VR experiences requires significant computing power for realistic visuals and smooth performance. VR headsets replace real-world surroundings, creating a sense of presence within the digital world. The VR system continuously adjusts visuals and audio in real time, integrating user movements seamlessly. Feedback mechanisms like haptics provide a sense of physical interaction and response. Low latency, high frame rates, wide field of view, and high resolution contribute to an optimal VR experience. Well-designed VR headsets prioritize comfort and ergonomics for an enjoyable, extended experience.